This scale is a relative key of E major. So it is played in a very similar fashion as the E major scale, just a reverse rhythm. You have the quarter note first and then the dotted half note later. So be sure to pay attention to that. Otherwise, they're really similar. It really should be practiced together as a pair. E major and C sharp minor. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I also invite you to visit my website where there's more information about the lessons I teach. Thank you for watching.